Hello everyone, this is the Kia UVO smartwatch app review. It works for the Seltos as well as the new Carnival. I'm going to show you how it works by connecting your smartwatch to the phone. There's also a watch face provided by Kia which gives you a direct shortcut link for the app. This app has all the basic features needed which are given by the UVO Connect app. Lock. We have given a command to lock the car now. Here it's locked. I will send a command to start the engine now. The command is sent successfully. I just received a notification that the engine started successfully. I've given a command for checking the smart pure air now. The air quality index is quite good. This is the vehicle status. It will give you the same results as the UVO Connect can give you. The range, the fuel, the tire pressure, engine status, climate, temperature inside the car, front defogger, rear defogger, door, hood. This one gives you a door ajar warning. I'll show you the app in the main menu now. This is the UVO app. The watch app also opens up the UVO Connect on your phones, but you don't need to worry about. I'll show you how to install the watch app now. Go to your Galaxy Wearable app or Android Wear and search in the watch face tab. You can type Kia or UVO, it will give the same result. I've typed UVO now. These are the two apps you need. This is the watch face. And this is the main app you need. Just apply them to your watch face and you're good to go.